How do you clean your cigar cutter, whether it's a straight cut or a V cut? Stick around to the end and I will show you a little hack when it comes to cleaning a V cutter. When you purchase a new cutter for the first time, my recommendation to you is to wipe it down because sometimes they come lubricated. I don't know for what reason they need to lubricate it, because most manufacturers will tell you there's no need for it. But anyway, wipe it down before using. So you're going to need some isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. You're going to need some Q-tips, and you're going to need just a paper towel. The first thing you want to do is moisten up the Q-tip. Make sure it's not really dripping so much on it. That's good enough. Now, let's start. Start on both sides. We're going to clean here. Clean all in here. All here. You want to make sure you clean down here too, because think about it, it's going to open and close, open and close. Sometimes the oils get stuck in here from the cigar as well as up on the blade. So do both sides. So you clean it. Now let's clean the blade. Not a hard thing to do, but it's something that we all are guilty of not doing. Turn it over. Get this side too. It's that simple. Now, if you indulge in a lot of cigars, you should do this at least 2 times back to back. That way you're making sure you got all the oils off. Even here. People forget about this. Do the whole thing, man. What's the harm? Now be careful with this part. You don't want to cut yourself. This guy's dirty, see? See all that? That was in the inside of here. Now here's the hack. After wiping it up, click it back and forth like I'm doing here. And the trick, the real part to getting this thing really clean after you're doing this is to tap it with your fingers, top, bottom. And that's what was stuck on the insides. Look at that. All of that was in the middle. It was inside this cutter. And there you have it. I hope that helps.